Good morning, y'all. I haven't been on camera that much lately because I've been working, and today is a day off, and I am rearranging my bedroom so I have stuff everywhere. Um, Living room is fine. The kitchen is fine. The bathroom is fine. But yeah, this is what I gotta deal with. Like, in this my bedroom, and I'm rearranging it, and I'm not finished. Bam! Like, see them clothes? I gotta get that stuff up. All this stuff that came out of my room. Like, yeah, I'm just decluttering, so my space is the way I want it to be. So yeah, them baskets, yeah. But that's like wipes and all kind of stuff like that. But yeah, all this stuff I gotta organize. I gotta organize this shoe closet because I took more shoes and threw them in there. I really wanted to make this a prayer closet. But I only have two small. Yeah, I only got two small closets here. Both of them are small. Well, one, two, three. Well, like three closets. But yeah, I have stuff, and I try not to have a lot of stuff. And so my shoe closet was just dedicated to like shoes, and instead of me throwing them all up under my bed and stuff. But now I want a prayer closet, but I pray anywhere in here. He say pray in secret with your head covered if you're a woman, and it's always pretty much a secret because I live alone. Don't nobody be here but me. So, but I had a prayer closet in Florida, and I want, something that's just dedicated, to that area. Like, and this closet is not as big as my other closet, but that don't mean that I can't make it comfortable still, because my other prayer closet, I used to fall asleep up in there, baby. I go to sleep in there. And I'm in my whole apartment, and I go to sleep in my prayer closet. I had like these comfortable pillows on the floor. I had a little altar. I had, some of my Bible study paperwork on the walls with some other things like on the wall, about the prayer closet and about Jesus and everything. And it was just really cute. And so I want to make another one. Now, this closet does have shelves in here. So, but all of my shoes can't fit on them shelves. Like, so, I don't know. I haven't really, got anything new or anything. It's just, I've, accumulated some things. But I don't really be shopping like that. Like, if I shop for anything, I shop for stuff for my house. So pretty much most of the stuff I got, I already had, So I gotta organize that. I gotta figure out if that's gonna be my prayer closet. It's kind of I don't really like that area because that's like soon as you walk in the door, like right there to the left, like. I don't think that'll be my prayer closet. And the other closet is like right outside the bathroom, and there's no space for you to go in there. I mean, I would be more comfortable with my prayer closet being in my bedroom or just a dedicated area in my bedroom that I could make for like my prayer closet. And I probably could. Like, I got this little area where, hold on. Yeah, and I got to separate these clothes to wash. It's not that big, and I got two hampers in there, so I would have to have everything on one side, like, of my closet to make a prayer closet in my closet. Or I could use this little space. Wait, let me show you. That little space right there, I can use that and make put a little ottoman or something, so I can have like a little altar and still, make a nice little spot where I can get on my knees and pray and just thank Him every day. Like, yeah, like this little space, box over here. That's the box my laptop came in. I still keep it. I don't know why. And then, like, I could make a space, like, right here where I could put, like, a little altar or whatever and put some prayers and just, you know, my candle and, you know, where I can just praise him and talk to him. I talk to him anywhere, but, you know, I just want a space for that. Like, I want a space for them, like, to just be able to just, you know, because to give them thanks properly, you're supposed to get on your knees. So, yeah. And see, I gotta still organize my super water with hibiscus. This is delicious. I got these clothes right here and these other clothes right here. I gotta separate these clothes and stuff, and yeah. And I can't, you know, I thought about maybe like in this area, you know, where my son's pictures is at, but I got an old tripod right here. And, you know, I don't know. I don't know. But also, like, I also want to tell y'all that I went from 233 to 221.4 now. So, like, I've been working on that. And I just want to get to, like, 200 pounds because I'm not used to, like, having, like, a stomach and stuff like that. So, yeah. I mean, I've had, you know, it's part of the diabetes. I've been going through it and them taking my thyroid out. But I'm still working on it. You know, I don't eat after 5:30 unless it's on my days off. But I usually only eat like twice a day. And the first thing that I eat is usually something really light in my super water, which is packed with lemons, limes, hibiscus, ginger, honey, peppermint. It's really good. Today, all I got left is some tilapia, so I'm going to fry that tilapia, make some nice buttered mixed vegetables. I have some white rice left, and there was something else I was supposed to make. Oh, the spicy sauteed spinach. Baby. Woo. It be spicy, kind of hot. Put a little cayenne pepper up in there, some red peppers, some bell peppers, and some onions, and saute it in some butter. Add some garlic. I'm trying to tell you, baby, it is so fire. But that's what I'm going to have today. But right now, I'm just like cleaning and just relaxing and taking my time and stuff. Because I only really had to do my bedroom. But it looked like I have to do the hallway, and I don't. That's just stuff that came out of the bedroom. And then I got to situate these clothes because I got clean clothes on one side, dirty clothes on another side. You know, I'm just taking my time and sipping on my super water.
I'm super excited for what's to come this year, but I'm also really kind of
and just saying what's up to y'all. Hey girl, hey. Yeah, so and just thanking Yahweh for another day. See the sunshine. And I don't know if y'all saw the moon last night, but it was beautiful. But it was also, it looked like it was surrounded with fire. And it was so low. Like, I truly believe these are the end times right now. But I'm just thanking them every day still. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish cleaning up, and I'll talk to you guys like maybe when I start cooking my dinner. But everything's peaceful, and I just thank Jesus for another day and another day to pray and just relax and breathe and just enjoy this peace right now, you know? All right, y'all. Y'all have a great day.
Alien Earth is certified fresh, riveting, captivating, and remarkable. Don't miss FX's Alien Earth. Premieres August 12th on FX and Hulu. Reese's Zero Sugar. The don't eat the whole bag rule still in the GMC Sierra. Or get 0% APR plus 2600 total value on this Sierra 1500 model.